next location. Woo! Flames for days. But little sneak peek. That's Damon, guys. Woo! What up, baby?
Hi, bud. NFT.
Yes.
Subscribe to Lucci.
That's my boys.
It's the truth.
Thank you, man.
Tell him.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Thank you, my guys. Thank you.
Trust.
Yes, sir.
Lucci.
Woohoo!
Look who it is.
Yeah. Mark Wahlberg. Yeah. We out here, boys and girls. Show the behind the scenes.
Thank you.
Smash that like and subscribe.
What's up, dog?
This is the guy that asked, what do you do for a living? Hey, man, what do you do for a living?
They do for a living.
New Year. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, reach over, smash that like and subscribe. It really helps your boy out. I go city to city, state to state. I go all the major events, try to cover as much of the crazy stuff as you guys like to watch. It's 98% car content, travel, food, a little bit in there, of course. You know, it's a vlog. But man, guys, I appreciate all the new subscribers. I want to thank all you guys first and foremost, you know, and my OG subscribers, of course. Thank you guys. You all know who you are. Lucci Gang, man, I appreciate you. And man, guys, you know, I went to Willow Springs, and you might have saw me in the DDE video. And you know, Dave's my good friend, he's a cool ass guy. He's been looking out for me for years. And you know, at the end of the day, guys, I got a little bit of behind the scenes footage for you guys on this video. Not too much stuff, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to mess up anything on their video, but yeah, as you know, there was a little mishap on the track. You know, I was out there filming. I got some of the footage for you guys here, but also don't miss my Formula Drift footage. That's some crazy footage, guys. Tons of behind the scenes. Dean Karnage, DDE, everybody, Adam LZ, the parade. I'll put a little bit in here at the end for some of you guys already. My subscribers been watching. You know, I'll add a couple of extra clips, some other stuff I never put in, but most of the footage will be some stuff that is from Formula. I know a lot of you guys haven't seen it. So anyways, also guys, on top of that, I got something for you guys. If you saw my other video, the Formula Drift video, you guys are gonna have to go back and see it. I'm doing a giveaway, all right, guys? So doing the Hyper NFT hat, but wait, it's got Dave, Damon, and Dean Karnage signed on it. So I'll be doing the giveaway. I'm gonna tell you about the giveaway at the end of the video. So you gotta watch to the end, guys. Don't skip. There's crazy footage in between. Wild car meet, car accidents, all kinds of crazy stuff. Also, I'm giving some Lucci merch away, and Lucci we trust. That's very true. I never tell a lie, guys. Remember that. Anyways, guys. So yeah, watch till the end, and at the end, I'm gonna give away the instructions on how to win the hat. It's really simple. It's really easy. And again, smash that like. It only takes a second. They'll subscribe, and you get some of the stuff as you check my video. It was put out like 5-6 days before the other videos that were put on YouTube, so that way you can kind of see a little bit of behind the scenes. Nothing to really ruin anything, but a lot of good crazy footage, guys. Let's go. Watch till the end, and don't skip. Enjoy. Thank you, guys. All right, guys, we out here, car meet. Got my boy Supercar Garage out here. Spotted. There's a car meet, guys. Oh, the boys made it in. Crispy's serving up the cups today, breaking up the party.
See, that's what my charger is.
This was at the last car meet, the Big Bang meet. This one's pretty badass, guys. Check it out. Sick.
Caramel, chocolate. I got a lot of Nutella, guayaba,
Crispy
vanilla,
in the building,
mango.
guys. Always. Make sure you always support your local vendor,
Strawberry. I
guys.
don't have a strawberry. Two caramel?
They're all good, either one.
You just took the caramel. You want to go?
Mustang Alley, guys. Heading off to the next spot. Look at that wrap. Got the McLaren. Guys, check that out. Sick. Yeah. You don't know, now you know. Little puppies at the meet, guys. They got it all out here. You know what time it is. Make sure you subscribe to my boy, man. Supercar Garage. Hot Wheel Heaven at the car meets, guys. Little GTR action. Toy Story, guys. That's a wing. Check it out, guys. Pink. It's a new salmon. Pretty cool. We got Lambos out here, boys and girls. Vets and vendors.
51. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Hey, you want a burrito? Where's the homie at? We're trying to get a soda. No, those are not included. That was not included, guys. Sorry. You gotta take that burrito dry, baby.
Let's go, Brandon. Munch that shit, bro.
Who's gonna win?
Regretting it. Oh, he won. You're done. You can just start walking away. No, bro. No, you're gonna come back in it. You gotta come back in it. You gotta come back in it. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? And you gotta eat whatever's on there too. Do it, go. You're dropping too much. Homie made a mess. You better wash that sweatshirt.
It's supposed to be messy, bro.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Hey, yo, never invite these guys to the competition ever again. These guys are excluded. Nah, I'm just fucking around.
Check it out, guys. Welcome to Hollywood, guys. Packed out here. Walk of Stars. No stars yet. Give you guys a little tour, man. There you go. We got everyone out here. Man's Chinese Theater. Eddie Murphy. board. Everyone. Get back on the road. Oh yeah, guys, we everywhere, man. A little bit of behind the scenes. Check out this beautiful view. Check out these rocks. Yeah, smash that like and subscribe. Take you guys on an adventure every time. I appreciate it. Helps my channel so I can bring you guys more of the crazy stuff. Stay tuned. Let's go. Out here picking up my son's car. Crazy, huh guys? Check this out. Back is all bent. I think it'll rub out, you know what I mean? Yeah, car crashed on the freeway, guys. Done. Look, guys, broke right off. All the fluid snapped. That's bad. Check that out. And skimmed off the freeway. Man, it was good though. Let's get back on the road, guys. We made it.
Is on the right.
What's up, Bucci fam?
Bring the Lambo out. They got the Lambo out here. Let's see what this thing could do, guys. There's a mark right there recording in the middle. It'll slide out. Drifting the Lambo. Yeah. Packed out, guys. Oh, you already know it, guys. We out here.
Yeah, we're just trying to chill here.
All behind the scenes, guys.
No burnouts, please. Woo, what's up, baby? What's up? Oh, you know, roll these up. Let's go. Woo!
You know it, guys.
Woo!
What up, baby?
Hi, bud. TDE we don't.
The hype brand of Team Blue and everything with the back is fucking I like that.
All right, guys, you made it to the end of the video. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much. And I'm going to give you guys the information on how to win the hat. You definitely, if you didn't go to the Formula Drift, you cannot get the hat, definitely without the signatures as well. And I know there's a lot of diehard DDE fans that are on here watching. And I've been watching DDE for years and years. When I was in the hospital getting my surgeries, and I was watching DDE. And I was like, man, I'm going to get out here and I'm going to do some YouTube. And, you know, they have really motivated me to do it. And when I bought the car and Dave went in my DM and said, come out and film with us on Beverly Hills a couple years back. Since then, it's been over, guys, you know. So help my channel out. Smash the like and subscribe. This is part of winning the hat, okay? So if you guys want to win the hat, all right, with the signatures, it's real easy, guys. Go back to my Formula Drift video. I did a part 1, part 2. And, just go over there. I'm trying to get that video to 5,000 likes. If I can get to 5,000 likes and 2,000 more subscribers, I'll be giving the hat away in the middle of this next month coming up. So smash that like and subscribe. You guys get all the good behind the scenes footage. If you enjoyed the video, leave a comment. I appreciate the comments. And yeah, of course, I'm going to put a couple of images here for you guys to see of a little of the mishap that happened out there. But I'm not going to show the crash. I'm gonna let the boys show you guys all that stuff. Just a little something to entice you guys, to get you guys ready for their video, okay? This is a little bit of behind the scenes sneak peek stuff. And man, guys, you know, thank you again, and stay tuned. Crazy footage coming. Watch what's up next. Let's go.
Delucci.
That's my boy, boys.
It's the truth.